Hi guys, what's up? So for those of you that haven't been to my channel, I'm Jessie Sage and I'm going to do a hotel room tour for you guys. I'm going to be doing makeup on a commercial for a car dealership down here tomorrow. So I am from a couple of hours north of here, so we came down the day before to get equipment, get settled in and everything. So I have my own room. So we are at the Intercontinental Miami Doral or Doral, I'm not sure how you say it, which is weird because I'm from Florida, but I just haven't heard that word that much. But there's two Intercontinentals in Miami, so this is the Doral one. Here's my little tour. So this is just so weird because I usually end up sharing with people, and even if I got my own room, I just wouldn't expect it to be this big. So that's why I wanted to show you, because I just think it's cool. So you walk in, there's a closet over here and there's a bathroom over here, but I'll show you that in a moment. There's this little super cute coffee thing over here, which I'll also show you in the moment, because I'm just going to show you the overview of the room. So this is what it looks like. It's a king bed. Yes! If there are any problems with my camera, it's because I think that I need to take my phone in and maybe get a new one, because something is a little bit wrong. I think there's a little crack in it, but oh well. We're doing this. So here's my room. King bed, which is really soft. Let me show you. Oh, it's really soft. See? I'm very shiny because we're here in Florida and it's very late. I've been outside a lot today. But whatever. So here's the bed. Oh, this is nice. This fancy hotel part. There is a sort of modern bed head, which I really like. Let me go closer so I can show you guys what it's made of. It's this sort of it almost has a shimmer to it. Super cool. This doesn't work. The other one does. Lots of lamps, which is great. Okay, so there's a TV, which I haven't turned on yet because I've been busy. This is a mini fridge, which is kind of funny because there's this, which has stuff in it, but you have to get a key to it, which is weird because if I were gonna have a snack attack, I would definitely not want to have to get a key to get the snacks out that are really expensive. You know, you just want to open it and eat it, and then later you're like, oh god, why did I do that? But anyway, this side doesn't take a key. So I had some leftover chicken in there, but I took it out so that I can eat it. Got these fancy glasses. This is a door that can open to the other room next door, but I don't know them, so we're not doing that. Mirror, which is really nice because it's full length. It's kind of hard to stand away from it, but it's fine. Okay, so here's the desk, which I really love because I love being old-fashioned ever since I was little. I love going to a desk that has stationery and pretending I have a pen pal that's back in the day and being oh, here's the stationery for this hotel. I'm writing to you. Marilyn Monroe would always do that. She would always write people on the hotel stationery. I feel the blinds are kind of messing it up. Can you see through there? Okay, so anyway, here's this chair, which is quite Mad Men, vintage chic. Love it. So basically, the crew that I'm with, we went out to dinner and basically we got this free strawberry cake and nobody wanted it. So I was I'm definitely gonna have that. And it has the strawberries that you pour on top of it. So I'm really excited because after this, all I have to do is, I mean, it's late. It's 10:30 and we have to get up early. But I have to make sure all my brushes are clean and eat this cake. So yeah, we have this painting. You know, it's awful, but it goes with it. So here we have my little sitting area, which is so cute, and I went to my friend's room that are also working, and they're sharing, and they don't have this. So I don't know why I have this, but it's really cute. So I'm gonna show you guys. So I have this cute little sitting area, which totally makes me want to like have friends over and like pop a bottle of champagne, but I'm not gonna be here for that long. There is this thing, which seems vintage to me. Oops, sorry, wall. Seems like it might have to do with shoes. Not sure, but please put in the comments what this thing is, because I'm very curious, but I love it. Maybe, oh, is it called like a butler or something? Like you put like your jacket on this part, you put something here, and then like you hang your shoes on the bottom. I think something like that. It's like for a suit maybe. Because this is sort of like a business hotel, I guess. I mean, there's all kinds of people here, but this is a very nice hotel. And I watched another review of an Intercontinental hotel, and they said they've gone to like 20. And they said it's a really good hotel, like for the price point. And I definitely have to agree, because this is very nice. Like most hotels that you go to, even if it's nice, like you can feel like the wear, or you can like smell that maybe it used to be a smoking room but it's not anymore. Like you can just sense like transformations that it's gone through. But I will say that this is like, it just feels like very, very nice and like updated. And I mean, I don't think it was like that cheap. I didn't pay for it, but I don't think it was like super, super expensive like the Ritz or whatever. Okay, so here's my couch, which I totally wish that I had at my house because I really need one. Here's the view, which is basically the very front of the hotel. Can't really see out right now. Oh, it's storming. But yeah, there's a lot of heat lightning. And I can see, I don't think you guys can, but I can see that basically the overhang where you drive under to like get out and like get valet parking or whatever is right there. And then there's the flag. So I'm like basically right in the front of the hotel, which is cool. Oh, I love that heat lightning. I wish I had a little balcony. That's the only thing that's missing, because I love to open the windows. I don't think they do. Yeah, they have like locks on them. Alas. We have these little like honeybee things. And yeah. Oh yeah, so here's my little coffee area, which is so cute. Like, it's its own little designated thing that like greets you when you come in, and it has the Keurig machine. Coffee, we have tea. I think I have some tea in my backpack. We have an ice bucket, which we found out that there's no ice machine, but you have to like call them and ask, and then they'll get you ice. But they didn't seem very like happy that we were asking for ice, so do it at your own risk. Under here is storage, which there's a lot of. I feel like this would be nice if you were like going, oh my god, the light turns on just when you, did you guys see that? Wow, that's cool. If you were going for like 5 days or something for like business, this would be nice, because like there's a desk, there's like an area, you can kind of set up your laptop and all that stuff and just kind of be a little more comfortable. So here's a closet, which is actually pretty big. There's this, which I love, so I'm gonna just have to put something on a hanger. Make sure I don't forget it here, Jessie. Oh, here's another one. Those are so cute. Here, I'll get this thingy to put my suitcase on. So yes, tomorrow I'm going to be doing makeup for about 6 different people, I think, throughout the day, and hair, so that's gonna be really fun, somewhat stressful, but should be good because they're like staggered throughout the day. Here, you can be fancy. Ta-da! Fancy town. Oh, also, I got this because we went to Walmart and They make Cuban bread for $1 because in Miami there's obviously so much good Hispanic food everywhere. And even at Walmart their bread is even better and it's only $1. So got some of this, but let me just show you how soft it is. I really wish I had like some prosciutto, some cheese, and like some fruit or jam to like go with it, because it does get a little bit dry, but or if I could like make a Cuban with this. Oh, okay. Look at that. So soft. Oh my gosh, isn't like bread tube like a thing or something? I can kind of see why. Oh, it's so soft. Just rip a piece. So soft. Ah. All right, time for me to eat my cake, have my cake and eat it too, and enjoy. Wow, see, it turned on again. It must have like a motion detector or something, or a ghost that lives in there and turns the light off and on. So anyway, time for me to enjoy my first time having a hotel room all to myself. So thank you so much for watching this. Thank you, Intercontinental, for making a chill hotel room that has so much more room for activities. You actually could like practice dancing in here. And yeah, see you guys later. I almost forgot to show you guys the bathroom. Okay, so this is the door. It's very heavy, chic, and on this like barn door thing. Let's turn on some lights. Okay, so here's the bathroom. It's really cute. For one person, it's great. For two people, probably annoying because you have to like squish together. But I love how it has like this mirror with these lights that are built in. The $6 water. Don't get thirsty. And then there's this mirror. Here's my outfit. I did have pants on, but I changed them to shorts. And this is H&M men's section. What are these? American Eagle jeans that I cut off. And these are some new earrings that I'm really obsessed with. If you guys have seen them on my Instagram, you're probably tired of me taking pictures of them. I just love like how they photograph because they like catch light and it's so fun. But these are from Sugar Fix for Bobble Bar, which is at Target. And they have like a couple different colors and I really want to get all of them because I just love how lightweight they are. Someone actually commented and was like, those look so heavy, but that's the cool thing is like they look heavy and expensive, but they're actually not heavy. But I love that like gold accent on the top and bottom. Anyway, so there's this mirror, which I love. It's a magnifying mirror, so be careful. Don't pick your face in a magnifying mirror because it wants you to, but only use it strategically. But I love that it has this like LED thing in the mirror. And then I have my stuff, my new little Pink Haley jelly bag, which I am obsessed with. And it just looks so cute in here with this stuff. I think I found a source for these to carry them in my Poshmark store called Sage Collection. So if you're interested, go there and stay tuned for more on there, or just like comment and let me know because I love this and I want more colors. So yeah. My shades, which I also got from Target the other day because I couldn't find any shades. And I panicked because this is Florida. I've got some stuff. And my Bronze Goddess travel perfume, which I'm thinking of doing a little perfume review for you guys because this is a great summer perfume and there's only a little bit left of summer. So okay, so this is super cute. There's Agraria San Francisco Lemon Verbena shampoo. It smells good. It smells very fancy. And there's lotion, conditioner and shower gel, and those are just so cute. You know that the little shampoos and conditioners make all the difference at a place, because for some reason at like cheap hotels they always give you the worst conditioner, and like, see all this? This can tell the difference between a bad hotel's conditioner. So there's also this little thing which I'm obsessed with. It's like my favorite thing in the whole room. We've got some Q-tips, which I always need. This is a plastic bag, I think. A shower cap, which I totally love and adore them for sending that. Some little cotton thingies, which are so great to have. I have some of this stuff with me just because I packed them for a makeup job, but normally I would have none of it. And a cuticle stick and a nail file. I mean, come on. Like, they thought of everything. And then a really cute little sewing kit, which is actually like a hard plastic and kind of a useful one for like your purse, which is already like threaded up. That is so cute. So I'm definitely gonna use the shower caps. I'm gonna leave that out. Shower caps, yay or nay? Put it in the comments. They look so silly, but they help so much. Alright, so let's see. There's some glasses. I already used one. There's a hair dryer down there, which I also brought one just in case. Toilet paper. Oh, best part is, ta-da! A toilet phone. I have to say, I did have to test it out because, hey, never seen one before. Had to call the front desk and, you know what, had to test it out. But I wonder if there's something like at the front desk that like designates which phone you're calling from. They're like, oh, okay, here is a room 542, not my real room number, calling from their toilet phone. What can I get you? So anyway, yeah, I don't know. Tell me that I'm not the only one who's been on a toilet phone in the comments. Bathtub. Kind of debating if I should use it because I don't have one at home. Got your rack with some reasonably fluffy towels. And yeah. So that's the bathroom. So yeah, let me know what you guys think and talk to you later.